Welcome to my YouTube channel, English with Neela. Today's video is for class 10 students. I'm taking part 2 of the third chapter, two stories about flying. And the chapter is Black Aeroplane. Children, in this video, I will give you the theme, summary, message, and some important questions with their answers. The author of this chapter is Frederick Forsyth. Frederick Forsyth is an English novelist and journalist. He is best known for thrillers. His famous works are The Cobra and the Kill List, The Day of the Jackal, The Odessa File, The Dogs of War, The Fist of God, The Veteran and Avenger. चिल्ड्रन, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर करिए and share it with others also. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now we come to the theme of the chapter. Children, this chapter is based on the theme that our wrong decisions sometimes lead us to troubles. The writer was in a hurry to reach home and to have breakfast with his family. So he took the risk. That was his wrong decision to enter the dark clouds. Supernatural element is also highlighted in this chapter, and the writer was able to survive because of his inner strength and determination. The author actually, through this chapter, he is teaching us that we must have that inner strength and determination, courage and strong willpower so that we are able to face all the dangers and troubles in our life. हमारी ज़िंदगी में जो हम कई बार गलत डिसीजन ले लेते हैं वो हमें उनकी वजह से हमें मुसीबतों का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. और ऑथर जो था वो बहुत जल्दी में था, इसलिए उसने वो रिस्क लिया डार्क क्लाउड्स के अंदर जाने का. एंड सुपरनेचुरल एलिमेंट जो है वो हाईलाइट किया है ऑथर ने इसमें. एंड ऑथर इज टेलिंग अस दैट वी मस्ट हैव हमारे अंदर जो है डिटर्मिनेशन होना चाहिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर होनी चाहिए ताकि हम इस जिंदगी में जो भी हमें प्रॉब्लम्स आए वो हम सब आसानी से उनका सामना कर सकें. नाउ वी कम टू द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. द राइटर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज अ पायलट फ्लाइंग Dakota aeroplane over France going back to England. When he was flying the aircraft, it was 1:30 in the morning. Sky was clear and stars were shining. He was happy as weather was fine. He was going to meet his family in England. He called Paris control room while he was flying over France. He got a reply, means everything was working well. All his instruments, his radio and all, everything was fine. He got a reply from the ATC. Children, ATC means Air Traffic Controller. And he asked him to turn 12 degree west. Means the Air Traffic Controller asked the pilot, the author, to turn 12 degrees west. He checked the map, the compass, and switched over to his last fuel tank because he was short of fuel, we can see here. He continued flying and was thinking of having breakfast with his family in England. He expected to reach there on time. Now Paris was 150 kilometers behind him. He could see stormy clouds. They looked like black mountains. He had little fuel now and was not able to go to north or south or up or down. He thought about going back to Paris. उसने सोचा कि अब मैं पेरिस वापस चला जाता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास फ्यूल नहीं है, तो उसके लिए ज़्यादा रिस्की हो जाएगा. But then he decided to take a risk and fly through the clouds. He wanted to reach home and meet his family. So he entered the clouds. Everything was suddenly black. He could not see anything outside. His old aeroplane jumped and twisted. His compass, radio, and all other instruments were dead. उसके पास जो कंपास था और जो जिससे वो दूसरों के साथ संपर्क कर सकता था, वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट सब कुछ उसका डेड हो गया उस स्टॉर्म की वजह से, डार्क क्लाउड्स की वजह से. He tried to contact Paris control tower, but he could not. With his compass, radio, and instruments all dead, he was lost in the storm. उसको नहीं पता था वो कहाँ पर है. वो अपना रास्ता भूल गया था वहाँ पर. Suddenly he saw another aeroplane. उसको एक और एरोप्लेन दिखा वहाँ पर, and the pilot asked him to follow him. वो पायलट का फेस क्लियरली देख पा रहा था और वो पायलट जो है वो उसको बोलता है कि तुम मुझे फॉलो करो. वो उसके आगे आगे चलने लगा. He was trying to help him. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of Arthur's Dakota aircraft. The author followed him like an obedient child because he had no other choice. वो रास्ता भूल गया था और उसको कोई चाहिए था जो उसको रास्ता दिखाए. The author followed him. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of him in those dark clouds. वो अभी भी उस black aeroplane को देख पा रहा था. The author had fuel to fly only 5 or 10 minutes more. Suddenly, the writer came out of the clouds and he saw the straight line of lights on the runway. Means now he was at the airport. He was happy to see that he was safe. वो बहुत खुश था कि अब उसकी जान बच गई थी. He turned to look for his friend in the black aeroplane, but he was not there. That aeroplane was gone. He landed safely and went to the control room to inquire about the other pilot. The woman in the control room informed him that there was no other plane in that storm. She could see only his old Dakota on the radar. The writer wondered who was the other pilot who helped him come out of that storm. He kept thinking about that strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights, but he could not get any answer to that. उसको नहीं पता वो कौन था, वो एयरक्राफ्ट कहाँ से आया और कहाँ गया. उसके पास कोई आंसर नहीं था क्योंकि उसको जो कंट्रोल रूम में जो लेडी बैठी थी, जो वुमन थी वहाँ पर, उसने उसको बताया कि उसके अलावा और कोई एयरक्राफ्ट नहीं था. चिल्ड्रन, ये पायलट की इनर स्ट्रेंथ ही थी जो उसको उस स्टॉर्म से बाहर लेकर आई और उसको वो बाहर ब्लैक एरोप्लेन दिखने लगा. एक्चुअल में नहीं था, बट उसने देखा. उसका माइंड शायद इमेजिन कर रहा था कि हाँ, मुझे अब इस स्टॉर्म से बाहर निकलना है. शायद वो उसकी जो वो थॉट प्रोसेस था उसकी वजह से ये सब हुआ. एंड ही वॉज सेव्ड. लेट अस टेक अ क्विक लुक एट द चैप्टर. The writer was flying Dakota aeroplane over France to go to England. He saw dark clouds, stormy clouds. Then he decided to take a risk. His aeroplane jumped and twisted. All his instruments stopped working. He was lost in the storm. Suddenly, he saw a black aeroplane. His pilot asked him to follow him. He came out of the clouds and he landed safely. He went to the control room and inquired about the other pilot. Was informed there was no other plane during the storm. He wondered who helped him to come out of the storm. What message do we get from this chapter? The message we get from this chapter is that we should not take a wrong decision when we are in a hurry and jeopardize our safety. We should have a strong willpower and courage to face the adverse situations boldly. Now we come to the question answers, children. Here are some important questions. First is central idea, message or theme of the chapter. Children, I have already given you the theme. You can go back and check it. Second question. Describe the feelings of the writer while he was flying his aeroplane. The pilot or the writer or the author, he was flying his Dakota 088 aeroplane and he was keen to reach his home. While he was flying the aeroplane, he was thinking that he would go home and he would have his breakfast there in England with his family. But when his plane was caught in the storm, he felt very afraid, he was very scared, he was frightened and he felt helpless. Next question is, what risk did the pilot take and why? The pilot took the risk of entering the stormy clouds because he wanted to reach his family. Everything was going fine initially, and he was very happy that he would reach England on time. But as he saw dark clouds, stormy clouds, he decided to take the risk as he had very less fuel left with him. He did not want to go back to Paris. Now children, fourth question is, describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the stormy clouds. And the answer is, the author took the risk of entering the stormy clouds. Author ने risk लिया वो dark clouds के अंदर जाने का, क्योंकि वो अपने घर पहुंचना चाहता था, इंग्लैंड जाना चाहता था और उसके बाद ज्यादा फ्यूल भी नहीं था. And all his instruments stopped working. जब वो क्लाउड्स के अंदर घुसा तो उसको कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा था और उस बैड वेदर की वजह से उसके सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो हैं वो खराब हो चुके थे. Suddenly then what happened? He saw an unknown aeroplane, a black aeroplane, and the pilot seemed excited to help him. जो दूसरा पायलट था वो उसकी हेल्प करना चाहता था and he asked him to follow him, and the author did the same. That situation was quite challenging for him because he was caught in the dark clouds, but he managed to escape with the help of that unknown pilot. And then he went to the control room to inquire about him. और उसको वहां पर बताया गया कि उसके अलावा वहां और किसी का एयरक्राफ्ट नहीं था. And he did not get any chance to thank the other pilot who helped him come out of the storm. Next question is, why did the woman in the control room look at the pilot in surprise? Children, when the author, after landing safely, when the author went to the control room to inquire about the other pilot as he wanted to thank him, he talked to the woman sitting over there, and the woman looked at him surprisingly, in surprise. He looked at him strangely, very strangely, because who would take the risk of flying the aircraft in those stormy clouds, in that stormy weather, in that bad weather? And she informed him that another aeroplane, she just said very surprisingly, up there in this storm, there was no other aeroplane except yours, and she could see only his aircraft on the radar. Children, कोई भी पायलट जो है वो रिस्क नहीं लेगा उस स्टॉर्मी वेदर में एयरक्राफ्ट को फ्लाई करने का. He would avoid those stormy clouds. Normally the pilots do it. Children, एयरक्राफ्ट के अंदर एक वेदर रडार होता है जिससे पायलट को पहले से ही पता चल जाता है कि अब वो बैड वेदर को फेस करने जा रहा है और सामने जो है वो डार्क क्लाउड्स हैं. And then he avoids those dark clouds by circumnavigating. Means he turns his aircraft towards other direction for the safety of the passengers. Last question is, children, why did the writer want to thank the other pilot? वो उसको थैंक क्यों करना चाहता था दूसरे पायलट को? Because he saved his life when he was caught in those stormy clouds, those dark clouds. He came to his rescue. Though he did not get the chance to meet him in the end, but he was there. He could see his face clearly. उसको उसका चेहरा clearly दिख रहा था stormy clouds में, and all his instruments had stopped working. But the other pilot, the pilot in the black aircraft, he asked him to follow him, and he led him. वो उसके आगे आगे चल रहा था और जो ऑथर है, जो राइटर है, वो उसको एक ओबीडियंट बच्चे की तरह से फॉलो कर रहा था. And ultimately he reached in this airport. He could see the lights clearly, the line of lights clearly at the airport, and he landed safely. He wanted to thank him for saving his life, but he was informed that there was no other pilot, so he did not get the opportunity or chance to thank him. Children, I hope you like this video. मुझे comment box में ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching.